Guys, this one feels effortlessly smooth and premium the moment you wear it. The fabric is ultra soft, lightweight, and incredibly breathable. It has a subtle sheer finish that looks elegant and refined. Honestly, it's designed to balance comfort with a clean, modern vibe. The waistband sits gently without any tight pressure. It gives a secure fit while still staying relaxed. Friends, this is perfect for easy all-day wear. No irritation, no adjusting. Just a smooth and comfortable feel. The stitching is neat and almost invisible. Even under fitted outfits, it stays completely seamless. What really stands out is the breathable texture of the fabric. It keeps you cool and fresh throughout the day. The design is minimal but very thoughtfully done. Nothing flashy, just a clean and stylish look. It gives a calm and confident appearance. The cut allows natural and free movement. You won't feel restricted at any point. The material quality feels soft yet durable. It maintains its shape well even after washing. That's a big plus for everyday use. The overall fit is snug but not tight. It adjusts